Pelicans, surfers, turquoise blue waters, sounds of the waves. You're definitely going to want to watch this tour. Today we're in the Paraiso to Boston section of Vieques Island, Puerto Rico. This is the backyard of the property. This is very lush, very well maintained. Has a nice little deck off the back, a couple of chairs, concrete bench. You can imagine people sitting back here and having nice dinners or hanging a hammock and relaxing. The garden's very nice, and this would be a spectacular part of the property if this was only the best part of it. I'm going to cut right to the chase. Take you right inside. This is an upstairs unit of 2 units here. I'm going to show you why this property is amazing. I'm going to show you why properties like this hardly come on the market because of views like that. Ocean front on Vieques, Paraiso to Boston, north side of the island. That's Culebra. Straight north. That's Boston, and over there to the west towards the sunset is El Yunque. This right here is why you want to live in Paraiso to Boston. This is why you want to live on the water. There's a surfer out there, there's pelicans flying by on an hourly basis. This is one of the most relaxing spots on Vieques, and this is Island Dreemz. It's a new listing at Paraiso Realty. Check out more on our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. We're on the top unit. This is a duplex. I should add that the owners, when they're here and using it, they kind of treat the whole property as their compound. But it is divisible by 2. There's unit upstairs, unit downstairs. This is the upstairs unit. We came in through that door by the kitchen. There's a designated dining room area here. There's a kitchen here. There's your 4-burner stove, double sinks even from here, washing dishes. You can hear the sounds of the waves. You can see the waves. You can see Culebra. This is the sort of kitchen that is more than enough for someone that's renting this property. And for people that are living here, whether full-time or snowbirds, it definitely is suitable. This is the living room area. Nice sofa, TV. There's the view of the ocean again. This is just like, you just can't get enough of the ocean. Any house in front of the ocean, you just sit and stare forever. On top of that, this property actually has nice Latin American art, great variety, some very vibrant colors hanging throughout the property, as we'll see. I'll show you the top half here. Cover your eyes, kids. Which really kind of accents the off-white color here. Very gorgeous. So this is the living room. There's the kitchen. You could also sit at the counter if you wanted with some stools. And here's a dining table. And there's sliding glass doors all along this oceanfront side of the property. There is a wood deck out there, as we just saw. But let me show you some of the rooms in the back here. Here's for this unit, this would be a guest room. 2 beds, looks like 2 twins. This is facing west, so you get some sunset light. This would be actually some great light here in the morning, reflective light. Not too harsh to wake up to. There is a closet over there. And it has its own ensuite bathroom. So there's a shower. Great tile work. It's all the tile work here is high quality. Consistent throughout. So again, this is the guest bedroom. Around the corner here, off the living room, this is the master bedroom. And you should note too, also there is an air conditioner in the living room. There is an air conditioner in that guest bedroom, and there's also one here in the master. I love the coloring of this house. It really has a great beach feel to it. Very Latin American flair to it, all the artwork. And there's the view from the bed. Fall asleep to the waves, wake up to the waves, your choice. There's also a sitting area here, great for sitting, reading a book, just relaxing, taking a nap. And of course, the master has its own ensuite, full bath. Same thing, shower with the windows. You can actually see out to the ocean, hear the waves as you're showering. So very relaxing, very tropical. This is a very unique property. So finishing off here on the top floor, there is the long deck area there on the front of the house. So all the sliding glass doors of the living room and the master bedroom. And then over here is a nice sitting area. I imagine sunsets here are spectacular. Little sunny, but there is a good breeze coming through here. Always a good breeze coming from the east. And this deck does wrap around. Wraps all the way around the side, all the way around to the back of the house. So let's go back. There's one more room we didn't see, and that's the laundry room here. So very convenient. Washer, dryer, extra sink, right off of the guest room and the living room. So very convenient, very great location for it. So that's the top floor. Let's go downstairs. There's a couple ways of getting down there. If you're using this house as a compound, using both floors at the same time, you can simply come down these steps here to connect the two. If you are renting them out separately, guests can come around the side and then have access directly down below. So there's an amazing view upstairs. Down here is a patio deck, larger square footage area than downstairs, and the view is equally as good. So there you go. Can never tire of that. So inside here we have the same setup. This whole wall, this whole oceanside wall of this unit is sliding glass doors. So when you're inside, you can see the turquoise blue. And even with the doors closed, I can actually hear the waves. So down here, we've got one large room right here. On this side, we have the kitchen. Stool there for a counter if you want to sit at the counter to eat or use a computer, use your laptop. Again, you've got a kitchen here with a cooktop, double sink, and a refrigerator. If you're renting this unit out, this is really anybody needs. There's more than enough here between pots and pans and utensils. There's more than enough there. Folks are not going to be eating in every night. And I imagine if you're using this as your vacation retreat, even primary residence, you're not going to be dining in every night. Vieques has amazing restaurants, and it'd be a shame if you weren't dining out a couple nights a week. So there's the dining table area, nice shelving unit. Right there seats 6 folks. Over here, a little dining area, or excuse me, a little living room area, a couple chairs and a sofa. Nice lounge bed here, just to envision hanging out, taking a nap, reading a book, whatever, or just relaxing, meditating. Is a great spot to do it. We have the same tile here that we found upstairs. Again, there's a kitchen, dining table, and over here the living room, entertaining area. There are 2 bedrooms here. This is the first. You can see 2 twin beds, air conditioner. It should also be noted that on the other side of that wall, there's a door there. On the other side of that wall and the other side of that wall is basically what can be considered the owner's closet. So there's a big storage space in there, suitable if you are going to rent these out full time and you want to keep a bicycle or personal items. You've got room to keep them back there. This is bedroom number 2. Looks like a queen bed to me. Air conditioner. It's nice and private and quiet back here. And now this bathroom actually has kind of an ensuite bathroom to it. The bedroom has an ensuite bathroom. So direct access from that second bedroom. This is a huge shower. Stone tile everywhere. There's a bench there. It's gorgeous. Toilet and sink. So as you can see, this is, this is basically an ensuite to this bedroom, but visitors and the other bedroom need a bathroom, so there is access through that door. So if you're staying in the far bedroom, access would be through here. Same thing with any visiting guests. So this is the downstairs unit. Downstairs we have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Upstairs was 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. So whether you decide to use this as 2 separate rental properties or as your residence and using both levels as a compound, you've got a couple of options here. One option you don't have is ignoring the view and the sounds of the Caribbean. Can't get enough of it. So the house also has a garage. Remember upstairs on that wood deck where the table was with the blue chairs? That's upstairs. We're down here below. So there's room enough here for a car. There's concrete walls, concrete ceiling. So there's room to store a car, either nightly or if you're snowbirding, you're gonna be away for a while. So again, Caribbean Ocean, Caribbean Ocean, Caribbean Ocean, Caribbean Ocean. And let's go back out to the backyard to see a little bit more of that. So that was where we actually came down those steps from the main house. So this is little side steps, rock garden. This takes us back to the backyard. I kind of rushed us through these in the beginning, so let's just follow up here. This is the wood deck, and this wraps all the way around the top floor. Takes us back out to the blue tables. That's the walkway where we came in. There's a gate there to the street, concrete walkway. The garden is very lush, a lot of palm trees. There's a huge lang tree right here. For those of you not familiar, this is lang. That is supposedly the secret ingredient in the perfume Chanel No. 5, and grows very well here on Vieques and smells amazing, especially at night. Here's the backyard that's had some trimming done. You can see some of the tall grasses. There's a couple of palm trees here. Oh, I should mention this also. On the back deck, right off the kitchen, is a grill. Everyone loves to barbecue. And then here in the garden, there's some cactus. There's some bromeliads. Again, this is the area we can sit. Imagine putting a nice table there. You can almost do a built-in table of some sort to fit the circular area, or keep it as is. You can see from here I can see the waves. I can see Culebra. Another relaxing spot to actually sit in the shade. There's also some palm trees here. These are actually called Christmas palms, and this is kind of why. They're not edible, but they're I guess technically they're coconuts, and they look like little red Christmas lights that you'd find on a Christmas tree. So it's called a Christmas palm. A lot of lushness here, a lot of tropical plants, very mature. And then in the back here also, just to mention, there is a shed here. This could kind of be used as a gardening shed, artist shed, excuse me, an artist shed. It's another opportunity to have some little extra space on the property. So this is a great listing. Stuff like this does not come along often on Vieques. Mostly because it's Bravos de Boston. It's in great shape, and it's basically waterfront with a garden and a lot of space. So if you want to know more about this, please contact us, www.paraisorealtypr.com. Love to show you the property in person. And again, this is what's waiting for you. The Caribbean Ocean, from your bed, from your sofa, from your kitchen table. That's why people move to the Caribbean. Thanks for taking the tour. If you like this, hit like and share, and we'll see you in the next video.